But I do think that we also have to do a better job at the policy so that we make sure that aviation is as safe as it possibly can. Now, we haven't had an aviation accident like this in about 15, 20 years. We want to make sure that we try to never have an aviation accident like this again, or at least make them as minimal as possible. And that does, I think, mean that we have to talk about the DEI policies. Now, here's the specific way in which I think the DEI policies of the last administration, the Obama administration, contributed to where we are. We have a massive shortage of air traffic controllers. And in fact, there have been a number of lawsuits from people who would like to become air traffic controllers against the Obama and Biden administration, who were basically said, we were told not even to apply because of the color of our skin, because they were white people who wanted to be air traffic controllers, and under the DEI regime of the Biden administration, they weren't welcome. Well, what does that mean? Number one, it means that we don't have the best and the brightest sometimes in these positions, but even more importantly than that, even when we do get really good people, they're going to be way overstressed because they're working long hours, because air traffic controllers are short-staffed, and we have known going back years. I was on the Commerce Secretary, or the Commerce, I was on the Commerce Committee in the Senate. We knew for years that we had a shortage at air traffic control. Well, part of the reason why we had a shortage at air traffic control is because we were telling our air traffic controllers not to hire people because of the color of their skin. That is a scandal, and it is a scandal, thankfully, that has stopped under the leadership of President Trump.